Sure.
All right. Here we are at the shop, Fanimation, Zionsville, Indiana. Oh. Oh, these are the Fanimation Punkas. The Palmetto only runs on one speed, right? Oh. Shame. And how come the Bourbon streets are hanged up just like that?
We put them that way because we didn't have any place to put them on the ceiling.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. This is amazing. It really is. Palmetto, which year is that, Palmetto?
That one's a Casablanca.
Casablanca?
And that's a Fanimation.
And I see you have like, is that a stellar on the ceiling right there?
Stellar. Use that to cool the shop.
Do you have the remote for that by any chance?
No, it's wall.
Right. Anyway, you know, like the switch for the cellar, or?
I may have it on fancy, but
Let's see. It's fine.
I may not have power to it. So.
Oh no, that's fine. And then this is the other Palmetto. Oh, what's this one? Oh.
So this is the shop.
Wow, this looks amazing. Are you restoring a gyro fan back there?
My son is.
Oh, which one's that one?
It's Westinghouse.
Westinghouse. I've wanted to get my hands on one of those, but
You said we were just kind of playing with it. They pulled it out of the trash. And
someone actually threw that away.
this one,
Oh, that one.
it's just a couple of the archives.
Oh,
That's got kind of a neat effect. Stand in front of it and then look through it to the blade on the other side.
so which year is this one from?
This is just, it's current.
Oh. Then I see you got like a GE fan, kind of like the
Point
one,
operated.
kind of like the one from The Great Gatsby.
No, this one you put a nickel in and runs for an hour.
Huh. Why is that? Why'd you have to like pay money to just turn on a fan back in the day?
Hotels,
Oh, I see.
so you get. I think last time we checked, $1.87 was the worth of a nickel back then.
How long is it?
1915, yeah, and you run for an hour, so you could put up to 8 nickels in it.
Okay.
So I was like, almost $16.
Hmm.
To get
Just to get a nice,
like
yeah, just to get a nice
Wow.
breeze blowing on you.
And this one here, this seems to kind of like be based off the new Fanimation Fargo, or whatever.
No, it's just an old Western Auto Hassock fan belonged to my grandma.
Oh, it did?
She's cleaning it up to give it to my daughter.
Such a nice one.
She's into the mid-century modern.
Yeah, me myself, I'm more of like a modernist myself. Which one, the wall fan?
What are you pointing out?
Oh,
Black one?
I think she means like the. Oh, you mean the old Havana? That one?
The old Havana?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are just shop fans too.
That one you can control the speed by. Is that via like a Fanimation remote, or is it
It's got a switch on the back.
switch on the back? Can I do the honors?
Sorry? Like the gauges, yeah.
Huh.
This is a guy who's a doll. He builds these for doll houses.
Oh, that's so cool.
And it's powered.
Yep.
It's powered?
Battery powered. Yeah, I see I brought it down here. It needs to be fixed.
Oh, wow.
Huh. So I'm gonna turn you guys loose. I'll go upstairs and turn the lights on.
Okay.
All right.
Take your time.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
He can tell you more about upstairs than I can.
Okay.
I try to stay away from upstairs.
I think I'm pretty good.
The antique stuff I know about.
He's more the antique. I got you with the modern stuff. All right.
That's right.
Every fan I've collected is beyond 2000, so you know. I think I know.
Wow.
Which one?
Tom Frampton was Casablanca's first employee.
He's like the
He
CEO of
flew out to
Fanimation.
Indianapolis in 1980 and installed that in a restaurant here in town.
Wow.
Restaurant went out of business in 1994.
Anyway,
And then
we can see how
just
that
changed
works.
hands and changed hands and eventually ended up in Atlanta, Georgia
Huh.
at an auction house. And Tom had contacts, and they contacted him and said, hey, I think this is, because they only made 7 of them. And this is the one that he had installed. So he bought it back. It sat in here for about 5 years until we started on it in 2020.
Wow.
He completely redesigned it. So about 800 hours later, that's the kind of hard to get through these.
Is that a brewmaster?
Yeah,
Shoot.
he sold all this stuff.
Oh. How come they're all so dusty?
They've been in the racks for years.
Oh man.
Oh, wow. Here's the video ready.
Oh, let me see it. Oh my god. This is amazing.
We took a motor from the museum and used it to power it.
That's amazing.
Originally, it had just a little modern GE motor.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I think that's the most beautiful fan I ever seen.
It is. Brewmaster so far.
What's the brewmaster?
Right here.
Okay.
It's always one that I've wanted to see. I mean, I did see some in Houston, but
There's a restaurant downtown in Zionsville. It's called the Cobblestone Grill.
I guess I didn't know where we're going for lunch.
Yeah,
Cobblestone Grill.
where they've got the brewmasters in there.
Okay, Cobblestone Grill.
Huh.
It might just be called the Cobblestone.
And is that a K50 flywheel?
Shop fans.
Oh, which one's this one?
Old Havana.
A what?
Old Havana.
Old Havana.
It's
Oh.
actually this one's the Hemingway.
Do the lights work on it?
No,
Oh.
this is based upon the Luminaire. You'll see it upstairs.
Luminaire.
Luminaire, Cincinnati Victor Luminaire fan. It's referred to as a funeral fan.
Okay. Anyway, you can show us around the back here.
Now this is all, my
Oh.
son's got his stuff all scattered out.
Luminaire,
Oh,
why does
okay.
that sound familiar?
Luminaire?